Jesus is coming again, whether or not you know it. But we tell others because it's important. The Lord said so. He will come, and it is nearer today than ever before.
Hello, welcome to the Countdown Show. My name is Aaron. You can call me the priest. Today I'm going to be sharing with us. I title it The Proof of Christianity. And there are a lot of speculations out there and a lot of questions from people. And then when you listen to them, you realize that some of these questions they ask are very laughable, and you would want to be sure whether they are thinking straight or not. Especially for those who don't believe in Jesus Christ, those who don't believe in Christianity, and those who call themselves atheists. I've had the chance of being on an atheist platform, and when I narrated to them what Christianity is, you could find them fumbling, and they try to find faults with the Bible, but it still doesn't work. So what I'm going to be doing from now on is I'm going to start teaching you about the creation, the fall of man, how Jesus came in, and why you should be a Christian. And if you're a Christian, the more you should hold on to your faith and don't be swayed by what other people think or the questions that they ask that are not founded on any grounds. Example of the questions they always say is that when they read scriptures, they don't understand. And there are a lot of people that say they don't believe in the gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ because when they read, they did not understand. Now, on a normal reasoning sense, when you take a course in the university or in a school and you don't understand, you allow a teacher to teach you. That teacher didn't come from space. That teacher was born just like you, grew up like you, learned that subject and understood it. So if you can look for someone to teach you a course, even pay the person because you believe the person understands, why is it that when you read the Bible and you don't understand, you don't go and look for someone who understands to teach you? Then you say because you didn't understand it, you don't believe it. Now, to those who say the Bible contradicts itself, so you don't believe in the Bible. Did you pass or understand all the subjects you ever learned in school? Being it mathematics, economics, science, all the subjects that you ever learned, you had 100% in each of them. There are many of you who don't understand what gravity is. But moreover, because someone said there's something called gravity, you believed. And the person told you that, gravity is the one that makes you stay on this earth. And you believed. Meanwhile, you've not seen gravity. It's just the experience and you believed. Someone tells you there's a chemical called sodium chloride